promised you that in the second part of this Facebook ad video, I will tell you how you can target people with the interest. So, you have not seen the previous part, so I will provide the link in the description of this video, or you can watch it from my channel. Okay, so here we how we can target people with interest. So for that we have to go to the Facebook Ad Manager. Now I have opened detailed targeting. See three options: demographic, interest, behavior. So in this video I am going to discuss how to target people with the interest of them and behaviors of them. So first go to interest option. And now I am going to show you how you can target with the interest. So here we can see some options: business and industry, entertainment, family relationships, fitness, wellness, food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion, sports and outdoors, technology, computer and electronics. So let's go to the first option, business and industry. So here we see some options like marketing, people who are interested into advertising, marketing. You can target them from here by selecting this option. Okay, you can see that it is showing here also. You can target people who are interested in agriculture. Select it and it will be targeted. Like this banking, investment banking, online banking, retail banking, designing, fashion design like this, economics, engineering, mm, nursing, online, computering, digital marketing, email marketing. People who are interested in this, you can also target them from here. Web designing, like this, social media marketing, uh, web hosting, web development, real estate, like this. Let's go to relationship and family. Family, fatherhood, friendship, marriage, motherhood, like this. You can target people like this. Food and drink. You can all alcohol like that. Beer. If you can target people who are interested in beer, like wine, cooking and baking, recipes. Who are interested to different type of recipe. You can target them from here. Okay, restaurants. You can also target the people who are going to restaurant in daily basis, who have liked some pages of restaurant like this, shopping and fashion, technology like this. Let's go to sports. Yeah, there are two options: outdoors and sport. Okay, American football like this, outdoor racing, outdoor boating, camping, fishing, hunting, mountain biking like this. Uh, Baseball also have. Technology and computer. People who are interested in computer technology, you can target them from here. Computer hardware, computer monitor, like that, network, free software. Okay, let's talk about the second, behavior.
In the next part of this series, we will talk about the behavior, how we can target people with the behavior. If you found it helpful, you can like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.